What's up, YouTube? Zanrith coming at you with something I promised I would do months ago. I am going to go find a nice parking lot somewhere, and I'm going to go record the stock exhaust sound for this 2019 ZX-6R. Now, this is something I probably should have done a long time ago, but life got in the way and motivation for YouTube kind of fell. Just had other things going on, you know. It actually takes a lot of time to edit these videos. This one's not going to be so much because I'm going to do it pretty quick. But it's those long trip videos, like the Johnstown ones and everything. Those take a bit of time to... What's up, guys? Those take a bit of time to edit out, just because there's so much footage from both my camera and Heather's. So I'm going to go try to record this real quick before I go for a little ride. It's nice out tonight. Okay, YouTube, here we have it. Camera set up with a microphone. Audio settings pretty good. Looks like we're recording. Looks like we're going to be low on battery soon, so I got to do this quick. 2019 ZX-6R stock exhaust. I've already warmed the bike up, so there's no reason not to rev it up. So we're going to neutral it. All right, we're going to start it. Ooh. We'll open the helmet. Everyone can hear it. We'll do some back and forth between that camera and the sound off the GoPro. We'll sit on it just in case we go anywhere. Doubt we will, because we're neutral. Okay. Rev it up a bit. 6,000, 5,000. 10. And that was about 15,000. So the bike isn't terribly loud, just sitting here idling. Once you rev it up, it starts to rip a little bit more, which is great. I mean, what do you want from stock exhaust? Some nice heat coming off that. I do want to upgrade. But guys, you know, that's just the stock exhaust sound. I'm going to play back that video by itself, so you guys get the full recording off of that. And I'd like to thank our local Kmart for having a nice back that I can come into and take a quick video of. So guys, if you like it, hit the like. If you want to see more, feel free to hit that subscribe. If not, I'm still making them. There's no reason for you guys to stick around if you don't like it, but I like doing this, so getting back into it. Weather's nice. I'm going to ride. Until the next one, guys, everybody ride safe. Catch you later.